Hi everybody, Tiffany with Team Red Keller Williams here. I am out at our latest listing. I'm at 6118 97th Avenue, Court West in University Place. This is a split level home on a corner lot. It is going to be 5 bed, 3 bath, just shy of 3,000 square feet. I'm just going to turn the camera around here so you can see the front of the house. So we are just walks away from Chambers Bay Golf Course Country Club and the park where you have a sound view in a beautiful, quiet neighborhood, beautifully landscaped corner lot here. Let's go on inside. Okay, so coming upstairs from the main entrance, I'm going to take you into our kitchen first. Opens into your dining room. The house has been professionally cleaned already. Look at those beautiful sliding doors leading out to your deck and your backyard. Opening into the living room. Has a wood burning fireplace, and you have new energy efficient windows all up throughout the house. All right, I'm going to go take you to see the bedrooms. Up here on the first level, we have 4 bedrooms, including the master and 2 baths. So the first bedroom here is our master. Beautiful view of your backyard. And green trees, and this leads us into our master bathroom. Okay, so I'm now downstairs. You will see these signs here. In the garage is our new furnace. The house also has a brand new roof put on earlier this year. So right from the stairs to the left is our huge 2-car garage with some built-in storage already. And there's your brand new, very well insulated furnace. And to the left here opens into our open space downstairs living room with, again, another wood burning fireplace. I love the decor of that fireplace. Bring you around 360. see here. Matching sliding glass doors as from upstairs, access to your backyard. Right here on the right is your laundry room. And there's your water heater. Next to that is your downstairs bathroom. And from the bathroom, your downstairs bedroom. And this is quite spacious. All right, let's go check out that beautiful backyard. Okay, so I am back upstairs on the main level. Out on the deck, you have a fully fenced backyard with raised garden beds. There's just a little view of your neighborhood from your deck. So I am now downstairs from the deck, in and surrounded by the garden. So pretty. There are those doors for access to the backyard from down below. There's some of those garden beds just getting started. Really beautiful, spacious gardening area back here. And a shed for storage. Okay guys, so there you have it. Again, I am at 6118 97th Avenue Court West in University Place. We are still in phase 1, hopefully phase 2 here real soon. Everything is by appointment only still. So just contact me at the number below, 253-797-9008. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this house or schedule an appointment if need be. Everybody have a great weekend. Bye.